A video by me, top of the morning to you. This is the review of the Call It 5700 class pannier tanks. This is issue 30 of the Great British Locomotives collection. There's it. It's got this weird wee carriage. This is your daily gumph. What have we got next? The Monsell N class 260s. Here we have it. Oh shit. There it is. Good Bridge takes two of them. To total two carriages possibly. There it is. British Rail Black. London Transport Red. Don't know what he's doing, but there's the back wee picture. Of shit. And I'll see you in a minute while I get this freaking train open. Okay, so we've got this bit. There's where it operated, just down in the south of England. 06 OPT 1929 to 1949. 47 tons. 10 counterweights. 4 foot 7, 5 inches, 25 pounds per weight. Okay, there's the GWR. That's real, and we'll see in a minute when I get it open completely. Okay, so have it open. Here it is. In 1930, GWR 5700 class 06 OPT number 6719. There it is. It's very nice, and I think that's just it. And what the fuck? Yeah, that's it for me until part 31 in 2 weeks' time. Yeah, about that. Don't know. But I'll see you guys soon. Ta-ra for now. Bye. See you on your doozy in the next video. Bye.